Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen rotation not working on your POCO F8 Ultra. So actually this is a very easy fix. At first, have your phone turned on, and once it is turned on, scroll to the control panel like that and find this icon over here. This circle with the lock inside. Tap it to disable screen rotation and tap it to enable the screen rotation. Just a quick toggle. If you don't see this icon here, tap edit, and now this icon should be around here. Tap this plus, for example, on this icon and tap this tick icon, and now you'll be ready to go. Now once it's enabled and disabled, this should work. But if it doesn't, you can go, for example, to compass application. If we do have here compass application, of course, but we should compass. Open that, and here, as you can see, calibrate the compass. So tilt the device sharply to roll the bar all around the circle. Now, as you can see, it works. The compass works, and the gyroscope works, but of course only like this, but it works. So don't worry, and this should work too. So actually, if it does work, everything should be working fine. If it still doesn't, if your compass still doesn't work, you have to click power and volume up simultaneously, scroll down with this white circle to reboot, and now the device will be rebooted. What will be done? Of course, every single system thing will be restarted, and any glitch should be fixed. So don't worry, everything should be fine with your phone. Now, as you can see, we are done, and we can enter our system right again. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing, if it still doesn't work, is to go here, tap System App upside there, and here if you do see any gyroscope, any sensor or anything like that, tap Update and see if it does work. If it does, that's fine. If it doesn't, go back, tap About Phone, and check the same thing here. If you do see any updates here, update your phone right here. Of course, this should be all, because this should fix any bugs in your phone, software bugs. But if it doesn't work, go to the authorized service with the proof of purchase, and they will fix it for you for free as for the warranty terms. And that's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.